Hello everyone. So today we are here to discuss and present our latest interactive teaching tool for the modern connected interactive classroom. Yes, that's right. We are going to talk about the future of interactivity in the form of the state-of-the-art interactive LED display, which is specifically suited for classroom environment. Now we are sure that this comprehensive interactive display for teachers and educators is going to absolutely spark passion for learning. And as an educator, our goal is to help others learn and engage in better ways that expand their knowledge. So this interactive LED display makes it easier for you to keep the students interested during class with numerous inbuilt tools and features. Yes, that's right. Now why this is there is, these are designed for better collaboration and more creative learning. Also, technological innovation is changing the way how students learn and how schools teach. So we at Smartschool have come up with this interactive display that allows the teachers to expand beyond the linear text-based learning. And this shall enable the students to achieve more by freely expressing themselves and exploring their interests. Not just this, it also allows the teachers to create and show any content on the screen to the class from their computers. Now they can also connect the students on their devices to the LED for interactive and collaborative lessons. With a high resolution and low glare image, even the smallest of the text is easy to read on this LED. Now what I mean by that is that this LED comes with a stunning 4K ultra high definition resolution. Yes, I'm talking about 4K UHD resolution, which makes way for beautiful viewing of high definition pictures and videos for the classroom with mind-blowing clarity. Now a bigger classroom has students sitting in all the corners. Thus, this display has a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees. Yes, you've heard it right, 178 degrees to deliver crisp, color-saturated and clear content from all the corners of the classroom. Moreover, each pixel of the panel truly reproduces the image colors without any distortion. Now, as far as the audio features are concerned, it is also integrated with two inbuilt 16-watt speakers to create better sound transmission and bring more audiovisual enjoyment to interactive learning. Well, if you plan to cater to an even larger audience of students in a huge auditorium or classroom, then it even allows you to connect external speakers or sound boosters to hear the sound at long distances. Now, I'm not quite sure who coined the phrase "bigger is better," but when talking about the interactive displays like this is definitely the case. What usually dictates this though is the budget and what you have available to spend. Ultimately, I'm sure it will come down to the budgets that dictate the size of this interactive LED panel. But from our end, we are all set to bring to you this masterpiece in 4 different sizes. Yes, in 4 different sizes of 65-inch, 75-inch, or if you want to go for a larger size, then even 86-inch and 100-inch. Now moving forward, it is an i5, i7 powered machine and has 4 GB RAM and 500 GB hard disk, which enables it to access the data easily and quickly. Besides this, it is also equipped with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and other networking technologies which are quite helpful in classrooms these days. Our LED display is extremely resilient and durable for any environment. It comes with a vandal-resistant protective glass for increased ruggedness and durability. Not only this, it also offers improved resistance to shake and shock, and also keeps out dust and moisture that can make a display unreadable. So what more can one ask for? But then we have more to it. So let's have a look at some more features that one can find and use within this display. This LED panel provides the facility of interactive whiteboard which resembles our traditional dry eraser marker boards, but they have the added functionality of touch recognition. Now it has an outstanding and intuitive touch and writing performance with up to 20 touch points. Yes, that's right, with up to 20 touch points. There you see. Now what that means is that it allows for up to 20 pens to be used simultaneously to craft your creativity onto this display. Over in all, it offers a hassle-free multi-touch display and a collaborative experience that lets the students interact using a stylus, just like this. Or maybe using their fingers, like this. And in fact, not only just the stylus and the fingers, but many other optical objects that can be used for writing or drawing shapes. Now the display also supports different styles of pens. There you see. And also different tools and shapes. And besides this, a media manager in order to embed videos and other resources directly into your lesson. So let's first talk about the pen tools that are available for us to use. So from the smooth pen to the intelligent pen, to the highlighter to the laser pen, there is a whole mix of numerous pen tools that are supported by this display. Now let me talk about one of my favorite and quite an interesting feature here, which is this intelligent pen. Now what this intelligent pen does is that it easily and intelligently identifies and automatically improves users' hand-drawn images, such as this line. Or how about an angle? And of course with the measurement as well. Or how about a triangle? There you see. And many more shapes and figures, which makes it very helpful and a must-have feature for drawing perfect shapes and objects, especially in your mathematics classes. And it is not just about various figures and shapes, but users can also adjust the pen color from the range of colors which are available in the color palette like this. And also the thickness of the pen pointer using this feature. Now this can be used to draw artistic shapes onto the screen. Now what if you want to delete the content written on the screen? Then you can just simply use this eraser tool right here, which also comes in numerous kinds to be used by the user. So using one of its kind, you can delete only a portion of the text on the screen. Let me show it to you. So let's say if I just want to delete this portion. There you go. Or using another kind, you can delete the entire contents of the screen. Let me show you how. There you see. So isn't this an interesting feature? Alright, now let me talk about another interesting pen tool over here, which is automatic handwriting recognition feature. There you see, the handwriting recognition pen. Now what this feature does is, it easily recognizes anything written with the flow. So let's say if your handwriting is not very smooth and legible, then there is absolutely no point to worry. The automatic handwriting recognition feature will automatically detect and clearly display the contents onto the screen, which may not have been otherwise legible. So let me show you how it works. And I must say that the response time to identify, detect and display the content is also quite impressive. You can have a look at it yourself. So let's say if I'm writing this smart. And now this tool automatically detects whatever I wrote with the flow. Now besides this, it also helps the teachers to build lessons by pooling in resources from various sources. Now this could range from your web-based resources, the internet-based resources, the documents, the saved audio visuals, the PPTs, the PDFs and so on. Now once you've designed your lesson, you can use it again and again. This way you will save the preparation time and be able to share the resources with the students after the class as well. Alright, now talking about the media manager, we can also insert, enlarge rotate, and even delete different images using these tools over here. Let me show you how. So let's say if I insert this and if I want to increase the size of it, there you see I can enlarge it. Now I can even rotate it, or if I want, I can even delete this whenever it is not required. So there you see. Now what if I delete this whenever it is not required? Pretty simple. Now the display also provides you with the feature of creating an unlimited number of pages for writing and explaining the topics to the students. All you need to do is simply insert. There you see, from 1 to I have now 4 pages wherein I can display my content to the users, which are nothing but the students. Now it also provides editable tools for any lesson, which means that one can choose from a large list of editable tools for different subjects, be it the maths, or how about physics, and so on. Now this is done to enhance interactivity as well as learning right on your document or background of your choice. Besides this, you can also cast your or your students' screens from their respective laptops or PCs to this LED for seamless collaboration without any hustle. Now the teachers or presenters and the participants, they can also annotate on their smart devices or onto the display itself for others to instantly see what is being done on their screens. Alright, now let's move ahead and have a look at our content which is inbuilt within this panel. So there you see we have the Smartschool content which is right there inside this panel, and it adapts to any discipline and enhances every lesson plan. Now our content is mainly based on CBSE pattern, but then we have also mapped the content for ICSE as well as different state boards, be it Maharashtra, West Bengal, Karnataka, and so on. Let me show you how. Before that, have a look at the screen. Our content offers solutions for everyone right from K to 12 classes. So if we want to select any of the classes, all we need to do is simply go and click on it. And there you see, we have it here. Now we will find different subjects which are present in that particular class. And each subject contains all the chapters with the topics present in that particular chapter. Let me show you how. So on choosing maths, here I can see all the chapters which are present in maths for that particular class. And here we have all the modules. So let's say if I want to study mensuration, so I get all the modules related to mensuration right here on my screen. Now you can click on any of the videos and allow the students to learn more about the topic, just like this.
Area of trapezium and a general quadrilateral.
Now as discussed earlier also, the teachers can pause the video from this feature and then they can annotate the concept right there on the screen using the pen feature. Let me show you how. So let's say if I want to highlight this area, then using this pen feature, I can talk about this area in particular. Now it is very important to engage the students in the class. So this interactive whiteboard can enable the students to interact with the content themselves instead of passively reading books. Now you can invite the students to the screen to draw just like this or highlight a particular image. And this can be done while the video is right there on the screen. Now we all know that the impact of communicating visually is deeper than doing it verbally. So this LED display will be quite helpful for engaging students and imparting knowledge to them in an innovative way. Thus, I would like to end with the quote that the future of education is combining the power of great teachers and great technologies like this one to provide the best possible education for every student. And if you're looking to create a small footprint in your instructional technology platform, then this interactive display is absolutely the way to go. So watch out for the link in the comment section below and get in touch with us to explore further about this masterpiece. Thank you.